Can you say whatever you want in Malaysia? Well, it is a yes and a no. It is because freedom of speech is the right to express your opinions without fear. And in Malaysia, freedom of speech is protected under Article 10 of the Federal Constitution, where it is for the freedom of speech, assembly, and association. However, this freedom is not absolute. The government has implemented few clauses to protect the public order, national security, and morality. A real life case of freedom of speech is the public prosecutor versus Azmi Sharom case. In 2014, Dr. Azmi Sharom, a law professor at the University of Malaya, was charged under the Sedition Act 1948 for expressing his legal opinion on a political crisis in Malaysia. He had commented on the 2009 para-constitutional crisis, suggesting that similar actions in Selangor could lead to a constitutional issue. Dr. Azmi argued that the Sedition Act was an old law from colonial times and didn't fit with today's democratic values. However, in 2015, the federal court upheld the act's validity, stating it remained enforceable under the Malaysian constitution. Eventually, in 2016, the Attorney General dropped the charges against Dr. Azmi and he was acquitted. This case sparked national debate on the balance between free speech and national laws. In conclusion, Malaysia aims to balance freedom with responsibility. You can speak up, but it must be respectful, truthful, and within the law. To sum up, freedom of speech is your right, but in Malaysia, it comes with rules. Therefore, speak wisely.